వదలాలా?
దాన్ని చూపెడితే వీళ్ళు ఎక్కడ ఉండేటోళ్ళు ఏమన్నా తెలుస్తుంది అని తెలుస్తుంది గుర్తుపడతాయి కదా. ముసలి
నేను కూడా
అటు సైడ్ పోతుంది. ఇది మన బస్ సలూర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ నుంచి ఇటు వస్తుంది రోషన్. గేట్ నెంబర్ 2 చూడాలి.
తీసుకోమా కానిస్టేబుల్ పాప చిన్న పాప తీసుకురా ముందు. సార్ మీరు హ్యాండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ అమ్మన్న ఖాళీ వాళ్ళ నాయన ముందు అమ్మమ్మ నిలబెట్టు అట్లా సేపు ఉంటావా సార్ వీటిలో తీసుకెళ్ళమ్మా.
Evening, all of you. Today early morning at 2 o'clock, we received a complaint from the victim, a mother of 3 childs, saying that her 1-year-old child was missing in the railway station when she was sleeping at the time. She was missed. So based on her complaint, we registered a kidnapping case and verified the CCTV footages, and in that CCTV footages we found a lady took that 1-year-old girl and traveling through auto. Based on that CCTV footages, we verified around 50 to 60 cameras throughout the state, throughout the Hyderabad, and we found that accused lady at Dabirpura railway station, where we rescued the 1-year-old girl from her, and we took her and we handed over to the victim mother. In this one, this accused girl, Dasari Manjula, she hails from Kamareddy district, and she came in the yesterday along with her 2 children. When she was in the Kachiguda in last 2 months back, she had a quarrel with this victim mother regarding this 1500 who took from her. So for teaching her a lesson, she was kidnapped, that girl, and she roamed around the city only. Based on this CCTV footages, we caught her and we remanded her.